Hey everybody, it's 11:07 and 6 seconds, March 21st. This is mini number 1 for the 2 Spider-Man slabs over here, the 18 filled spots. Nestor did not pay, but you participated before. I'll voucher you. I don't want to hold this up. Please, guys, when you pick a spot, be prepared to pay immediately. Once I've confirmed the spot is yours, pay immediately. Please don't pay before I've confirmed the spot for you, but be prepared to pay for that spot as soon as you claim it. Okay, so number is 11. First place gets the first 6 open in the main. Second place gets the next 2. Third place gets the next single spot. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And here comes the final roll, 11. Rob, you get the first 6. Derek gets the next 2. Mike gets the next single. Time is 11:08, 5 seconds.